What's up, good people? Shout out to everybody watching another episode of B-Tech Productions. Today we're going to get straight into it. We're going to figure out how to add automatic captions in Adobe Premiere Pro. But first, we got to roll that intro. So the first thing you know that we have to do is we have to share our screen. Let's get it. All right, so I know it looks like Inception a little bit. It's like a video within a video, and I'm wearing the same thing. So let's not even worry about that. But the first thing that we're going to do, so we have a clip already in here. All right, so we just added the clip. And what we're going to do, move this out the way. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up top all the way to the right where it says text, and we're going to transcribe sequence. But first, let's listen to it to see what I had to say. So this is a video. This is a test of closed captions. I'm talking slow and then I'm talking fast. So let's see how it goes. All right, easy stuff, nothing too crazy. So we're going to go ahead, like I said, go to text and then transcribe sequence. Transcribe sequence. That's kind of hard to say.
A potential scandal with the Buffalo PD surfaced today when the mayor...
All right, so we're going to go ahead and transcribe sequence, and we're going to go ahead and transcribe. Very nice. So it's just doing this thing. It doesn't take a long time. Bam, and then you have it right there. So let's go ahead and listen back. So if you notice over here, this is where the closed captions are. Okay, so press play. So this is a video. This is a test of closed captions. I'm talking slow and then I'm talking fast. So let's see how it goes. And you see, man, woof, it did that. That was 100%. I didn't have to change anything. So your next step, if you wanted to, create captions. And then I'll just leave all of these default. You can change the maximum length and characters if you want it to be smaller or bigger. Keep it at like 30. That's cool. We could do single lines. I do like single lines. And then create. Again. And it's done. You know, so now also you could go to a different part of the video just by clicking on it. Boom. Boom. And it's gonna go to it. Very, very cool. So this is a video. This is a test of closed captions. I'm talking slow and then I'm talking fast. So let's see how it goes. All right, then the last thing that I would say is if you take your mouse and then just highlight everything, now you'll see this panel comes up. Okay, so we can change the text of everything at the same time. Me personally, I like marker felt. And then also we can change the size of the text. This is a video. Okay, this is a test of closed captions. Nice, so easy. I love that. So this tutorial was super simple. I hope that it helps you. This really comes in handy when you're doing vertical videos, especially for Facebook and Instagram and everything like that, TikTok, to have captions already baked in the video. And you see, it didn't even take time. I only been recording for like 5 minutes, and like 1 minute of that was the intro. I'm playing, but seriously, you see how easy it is. Even if it's like longer amount of text, somebody talking, if you got like a full minute, you know, usually you'll have to do this manually. And if you've never had to do it manually, it takes so long, bro. So I would not recommend 0 out of 10. So, but this automatic captions, I would recommend 10 out of 10. All right. We'll see you in the next video. Let me know if that helped. Always be smooth.